Anyone can make this delicious potato omelette that is better than pizza. Hey guys, welcome to Clarion's kitchen. If you have potatoes, eggs and few vegetables at home, try out this recipe that will soon become the favorite in your home because everybody will love it. Frankly speaking, this recipe is worth learning. Please watch till the end. You need these few ingredients. I started by washing all the veggies, the bell pepper, the tomatoes, the potatoes, I washed the spring onions with salt, I use half of the red, green and yellow peppers. This depends on the quantity you're making. If you are new to this channel, please feel free to watch other quick, easy and healthy recipes to try out on this channel. I cut the tomatoes too. Slice the spring onions. Peel the potatoes and grate. Now the veggies are ready. Get a large clean bowl and pour in the grated potatoes. Go in with the red bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, the green bell pepper, the spring onions and the pepper. Mix. Add in the tomatoes. Mix and set aside. In a clean bowl, break in the eggs one after the other. Add a little salt and whisk. Into the bowl, pour in the whisked eggs and turn. Put on your gas cooker, set in the pan and go in with little olive oil. Now the oil is heated enough, scoop in those beautiful mixture, adjusting, making sure it goes round the pan. After some minutes, get a flat plate and flip in order to cook on the other side. Please be careful while doing this. I told you it's easy. It's done already. So I'm turning it into a flat plate. Get a pizza cutter and cut into 4 equal parts. Serve and enjoy. Seriously, I enjoyed making this. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you for your time. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. See you on my next video. Bye.